All right, we're here at the Ford and Mustang Club of Idaho. It's a car show here at Kleiner Park. We brought the Mustang GT that we're currently working on here. Let's go over here and take a look at this car real quick. So, as you can see, the car is something that's in progress, and we wanted to show a car that was in the middle of progression through the program instead of something that was just finished. So as you can see, we have the Curry rear end installed with the Detroit Speed suspension on it. We just brought the car back from California with MagnaFlow. MagnaFlow built the whole exhaust system from us, headers all the way back from scratch. We've got the 2015 Ford Coyote motor that was donated from Ford Performance. Again, we have the Detroit Speed Aluma front end in here with all the suspension, the torsions, and everything and stuff. And as you can see, the car's in progress. We had to raise the tunnel to accommodate the 6-speed transmission that we've got from Tremec coming in. QuickTime valve housing in here. It'll have a center force clutch inside of it. We've got a lot of amazing sponsors involved in the program here. So check us out on our website at rebuildingsgenerations.com and look forward to following this car in the future.